77583 people. Perfectly located right off of State Highway 288 South, with some parts of the community being in Iowa Colony and the other part being in Rosharon, I present to you the newest master planned community of Creek Haven. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. Our journey today begins on Carston Street, which is where the model homes for the builders will be located. And so today we're going to walk through Coventry's model home, which is the gray floor plan. It is a single-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It comes in around 1,492 square feet, depending on the elevation. And right now, there are some great floor plans available at just under $255,000. Let's go inside. Welcome to what could be your brand new dream home in Creek Haven, a brand new, vibrant, master planned community in Brazoria County. This thoughtfully designed floor plan offers modern comfort, stylish finishes, and the convenience of one-story living. The home features inviting curb appeal with the full brick exterior, striking stone front elevation, and a beautiful 8-foot contemporary front door. While we walk through this home, it's important for us to mention to you that most of what you see in terms of features and finishes are standard. Should a buyer choose to build from the ground up, they will have the ability to select their own options in terms of brick color, paint color, trim, flooring, countertops, cabinetry, etc. Plus, in this community, all Coventry homes are 4-sided brick, which is great for resale value. The open concept living area creates a seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen spaces, making it ideal for family gatherings and entertaining. The chef-inspired kitchen boasts Omega Stone countertops, custom cabinetry, and premium finishes, combining both style and function. The 2-car garage provides ample storage and convenience for your vehicles and personal belongings. Creek Haven residents will enjoy exceptional amenities, including a 4.7-acre recreation center with a resort-style pool, playground, and clubhouse, creating the perfect space to connect with neighbors. Experience the perfect blend of modern living and small town charm by connecting with me today so we can get your personal tour scheduled and see if your next address is in Creek Haven. community, Coventry offers 7 different floor plans. The smallest home is 1,460 square feet, and the largest home is 2,252 square feet. Currently, Coventry Homes has 11 homes that are available for immediate purchase and move-in in this community. And I'd love to talk to you now to show you how we can have you home for the holidays with the least amount of out-of-pocket for you. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up so we know that you like it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. While you're at it, we have other videos on our channel that we want you to feel free to browse around and see if there are any others that you would enjoy. Please feel free to reach out to us for all of your real estate needs, because we are your homegirls and we're always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, bye-bye.